Pretty dog, Cassidy, huh? You come to help today, Cassidy? Huh? Hi, Cassidy? Are you posing for me? Oh, you're a pretty dog. You got a thing going on here in Old Town. As you can see, I have Donna in front of the camera, and she has two beautiful greyhounds. The light colored one is Tucson, and Rosie Posey is the striped one. They're really pretty greyhounds. And so what do you do with these dogs?
Well, with Greyhound Pets of Arizona, we take them off the Tucson racetrack, bring them into foster homes or adoptive homes, and we're always looking for foster and adoptive families.
So these are actually racing hounds before?
These were,
yes,
these were racing hounds. Tucson did 86 races.
Wow.
But he's been off the track for about 7 years now. He's an old boy. He's almost 12.
Is he really?
Yes, yes.
And how long do they live?
10 to 12, 13 years is usually a life expectancy.
So is he doing okay?
He's doing actually quite well. Rosie Posey only did 10 races, and she just turned 8.
She turned 8?
Yeah, so in the United States, it's mandatory retirement at the age of 5.
Was it really?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know. That's a good story.
Yeah,
absolutely. Do they still have the track in Yuma?
No, actually in Arizona, the only track left is in Tucson.
Is it Tucson the only track left?
Tucson's the only one left. So we have to put dogs in dog haulers and send them up to other states. Idaho, Montana, Nevada.
When they're in the racing racing, they're usually kept in cages, aren't they?
That is correct.
And that's kind of a sad life. But now they're free. Now they have a great life with people and being more free.
Right. Once they retire, they go into a home. And then as foster families, we teach greyhounds how to live in a home. Until they get into a home environment, they don't know anything about stairs and glass windows and sometimes toys,
really.
They only know the race life.
So if someone wants to get a hold of you, to adopt or to check it out, how do they get a hold of you?
Online, you can just go to Greyhound Pets of Arizona.
Greyhound Pets of Arizona.
Right, and that'll take you right to our website, and it'll show our available dogs. It'll have adoption and foster applications.
So you always have some greyhounds ready to be adopted?
Yes, right.
Oh, that's a nice thing to do, and I appreciate that. It's a nice thing to do. Well, have a great day, and thank you for your time.
You're welcome, thank you.
Rose button.